IKEA Giant. Alam ko marami tayong vlog na makikita sa IKEA. IKEA. Hey guys, time check is already 8 p.m. Saturday today. Going down. And I'm going to buy my favorite things first before we go to IKEA. And this is my favorite things, all natural fruits. There you go guys, this is what I ordered. Boost all berry bugs. So there you go. Nice guys. And this is the place wherein you can go to IKEA and you need to take a bus, a free shuttle bus going to Giant and IKEA. Let's go guys. There's a lot of random machines here guys. Have also mini toy that you can buy here. Nice. And food for your fish, I guess. And oh, it's a shoe cleaner. You can buy here also. And perfume. What? You can buy a perfume in vending machine. Oh, this is the price guys. The branded one. Nice. And also have a, what's this? I don't know. And let's go up guys. And this is the Giant store guys. This is a big one near in Tampines, and you can buy a lot of things here and the cheapest price as well. And I'm going to buy jelly bean mixed fruit flavor and also mouthwash. So let's go to IKEA. This is the entrance of IKEA guys. So let's go inside. Oh, you can eat also here. There's a lot of restaurant. Let's go up. You can see a lot of furniture and the newest items or stuff here. And they have also the sample set of furniture. The table, oh, it's only $49 guys. See, this is the room for your children if you're planning to have. Nice. This is the master bedroom. This cabinet, $249 only. Nice. Let's see. There's a lot of Hey guys, I'm going to buy the bed sheet for my bed. And if you're done with your shopping, guys, they also offering a free shuttle bus to the nearest MRT station. Oh, that's good, guys, right? Thank you, Uncle. Bye. Now I'm going to take a bike going back to my place. This is my favorite bike, a Oppo bike. Let's go, guys.